Hello guys, and welcome to another Zimaleta. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the super suit from my GoPro HERO7 Black Edition. Let's check it out, guys. And right in this video, we're taking this thing to the pool, and we're going to find out what it looks like after we actually use it. And what does this thing come with? So first we get a box. We get this little tightening screw, and we get this other GoPro adapter, and we get a couple of these windows here, and here's the super suit. Now you could actually remove these type of backs to them. Let's see what this one is. Waterproof back door for use with floaty, sold separately. Okay, so this is for floaty. So this is the waterproof door right here. Oh, this is very cool looking. So we have to peel this off, of course. Protective screen. Maybe it's a good idea to leave it on, but probably not. I think it's going to ruin the video. And we're going to be using it in combination with this type of tripod. This is a GoPro tripod here. See here. By the way, guys, I'm not a fan of getting my GoPro wet, even though it's waterproof, because it is waterproof. But one thing's for sure, anytime you get your phone that is waterproof wet as well, the water gets in the microphone, and before you know it, that diaphragm starts acting up a little bit, and the sound's just not gonna be right. I've had a bad experience with that already. So you can actually shoot like this, guys. It's gonna be completely stabilized. And then if you don't want that, you press this button in, boom, and now you got a regular type of vlogging type of setup where you could like vlog like this. Now, of course, you're not going to be really vlogging with this thing. This is specifically going to be used for water sports. And it's got a nice comfy grip over here. And if you do want to use it as a tripod, you can. You could just simply pull out the tripod from the back and install it here, then open it up. So set it up like this, press the button in, and before you know it, you got a little tripod thing going on. Okay, so that's how it goes. All right. You would need to actually remove this, guys, to remove it, you need to kind of pull on it and then twist it like that, and then it removes. But this would be kind of weird, like who would disassemble the camera just so they could use a, super suit? Well, let's see if it now accommodates it. It sure does, and now it actually will close. Yeah, you're supposed to remove it, guys. There's the instructions. Like, it is not so simple to remove this filter, and kind of like, why would you want to, But obviously, if you do damage it, guys, you can actually remove it. There it is. But here's what it says. Removing the camera's protective lens. Insert the camera into the super suit. But it does say you need to remove it. So we removed it. And now I guess we're ready to go into the water with this camera.
Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.